Yeah, so we got some storms coming in Kentucky. We're working at 0 rotation. We have had one tornado alert that was in Minnesota though, and it's kind of moved over a little more. Now we just have storms that are coming in. We got a couple of lightnings, but it's basically, it might be going around us. See, like, look at that. You can see it, you can hear the thunder. Like, up there you can see pictures of the storm. We have might have a little rotation. A little more. There's just a big stroke of lightning. Right over there. You could probably see if I got it on camera. So stupid that I didn't. Right now, looking for some storms. We got storms today and tomorrow. Got cars coming through. So it's starting to roll out.
Hey, it's Snaky from the editing team. So those noises are the thunder.